What's good, everyone? It's your girl Chrissy, baby, and you are now tuned into the Established Way. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this lovely design that I've done. This look was inspired by cheetah slash cow slash giraffe print, because I was feeling very much so Animal Kingdom inspired. So yeah, we definitely gonna get into this. I'm gonna let y'all just sit back and watch me do this, and I'll come back in every once in a while to, just let y'all know what's going on. It's pretty self-explanatory. I went ahead and drew the design on first before I went in and filled it in with the rhinestones. But yeah, so just sit back and watch. So right here, I am going in with my Macart rhinestone gel. By far my favorite rhinestone gel that I've ever used. I mean, when I say these rhinestones be lasting, yes, honey, they last. So I'm going in with my rhinestone gel and filling in the shape that I created, and making sure that I get as close to the corners as I can, just so that the rhinestones are secured. notice that whenever you do rhinestone placement, always use different sizes to get the most out of the space that you're using. I really had fun doing this look. This was a look that I wanted for my birthday set, and you know, this set allowed me, or this look in particular allowed me to be very creative. I did make a couple of mistakes when I was doing the outline, but I didn't pay it too much mind because I was going to fill it in with rhinestones anyways. But I would love to do another look like this. I'm already trying to jot down some ideas. So for this video, I only decided to show this one finger, but definitely comment down below and let me know if y'all want to see me do a full look inspired by anything. So after curing the rhinestones, I am now about to go in and cap everything with my Valentino No Wipe Gel Top Coat. Right now I'm just curing the design with the top coat and everything. And here's a little sneak peek of the other hand. That was a croc inspired nail. But yeah, we're just gonna let this cure and stay tuned for the finished result. This is it. See you next time. Bye.